Have you ever wondered how affiliate marketing works? Does it seem like a complex web of decisions and processes? Well, it's simpler than you might think. At its core, affiliate marketing is a process where individuals earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. The best part? You don't need any specific experience to get started. It's all about turning your interest into income. So, ready to unravel the mystery of affiliate marketing? Let's dive right in. Starting with affiliate marketing is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you kickstart your journey. First, choose your platform. It could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or any other medium where you can share content with your audience. Next, pick a niche. This should be a specific area of interest that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Then, find affiliate programs to join. Look for those that offer high commissions and represent reputable products. Once you've done that, it's time to create great content. Your content should be valuable, engaging, and centered around your chosen niche. Now you need to drive traffic to your affiliate site. This can be achieved through search engine optimization or SEO and social media advertising. Get clicks on your affiliate links by using compelling call to actions. Finally, convert those clicks into sales through effective promotion. Remember, every step is crucial in your journey to become a successful affiliate marketer. Let's recap what we've learned today. Affiliate marketing is a simple yet effective way to earn income online. And the beauty of it is that anyone can get started, regardless of their prior experience. We've walked through a step-by-step guide, starting from understanding what affiliate marketing is, to setting up your platform, choosing your niche, and promoting products. With these steps in mind, you're now equipped to start your journey into affiliate marketing. It's time to turn your interest into income.